Hey guys, I don't really know how to like make a video right now, but I feel like this is really important for me to do and I don't want to do it. Like it's been a few days, but I can't. I feel like I just keep breaking down and I don't think I'll ever, right now I just have a feeling that I'll just never be myself again, which is like, these are probably not thoughts that I should be saying right now, but I don't know what are the right thoughts or what are the wrong thoughts or what to think or what's the best thing to think or I don't know. Anyway, life has been a roller coaster. I'm sorry about my appearance and the way I look right now. Also, my bed's not made. I really don't care. Maybe I should have made this when I'm more clear-headed, but I don't know when that's gonna be, and I really just want to get this out because I just feel like I need to. Anyway, I'm sorry, my thoughts are so scrambled. I was in such a positive place, as you guys know, my last video, and then now this is like a whole different life update, and basically Cooper passed away a few days ago, and he's gone. I know a lot of you guys have followed me for so long, and he's been there with you guys, and you guys have been watching him, and you care about him, and you always ask questions about how he's doing and everything. It was peaceful, as peaceful as it can be, I should say. God, I'm so sorry. Ugh. Trigger warning for anyone. There's going to be loss mentioned, end of life, pet loss. Just a trigger warning for anyone else who's either dealing with that, struggling with that, or has anxiety with that, or anything. I just don't want to trigger you. I'm just going to say it short and sweet. Cooper was amazing. When we got him, he was a rescue. He was rescued from an abusive home. So they didn't know exactly how old he was. Like, I didn't buy him from, like, you know, as a pup. Well, he was a puppy, but you know what I mean? Like, as birth. Like, I don't know where he exactly came from. Anyways, there's a whole story on that. I'm not, even though I should be thinking about the good times, and I am. I miss him so much. I have some of his fur here. His beautiful curls. I have them right here. It's just really hard. Losing a pet, especially, I was a teenager when I got him, and I'm going to be 35 this year. Okay, so he like literally was my entire adult life thus far. He was by my, literally, when I say figuratively and physically, he was by my side every day. When I slept, when I did anything. I mean, I'm sure you guys have the same, but he was literally attached to me. It's a whole life change. I mean, not only for him, but for me and for our family. And the other thing is, like, Benny, like our other dog, he's taking it probably harder than I am. He is literally like looking around for him. Cooper was old, so in the middle of the night, he would have to like get up in the middle of the night. And as soon as he would get up in the middle of the night, Benny would literally like wake us up and be like, Cooper needs to go out, like, let's go. He was like literally his like protector and everything. And for the past however many nights, Benny's been like confused and like his life is changing and he's grieving as well, and we're all just like in this together. Although like Cooper was old and we were quote unquote expecting it, you can never really fully know. I'm gonna share his memory of like good pictures and like him as like a puppy and stuff, but I just want to share with you guys just briefly quickly his last day. So we actually had a great last day. He woke up with McDonald's breakfast, his favorite, and then Burger King for lunch. I was like, cool, fast food day. And he got his last pup cup. Brought it home for him because he was just sleeping all day. He was very much like sleeping all day every day for the past month or so, like he just wasn't doing well. He wasn't doing well. He wasn't the same. Sorry, my mind is like, my emotions are just jumping. But he painted us a picture on his last day, and this is his photo that he painted for us himself. I just wrote Cooper down here because I thought I would like sign it for him. We tried to sign it here with his paw print and it didn't work, but that's okay. So we just got this. If you guys are wanting something like this, it doesn't have to be like in this situation, but we basically bought this at Dollarama and bought the paints at Dollarama, squirted a few of the paints on this canvas, then on a plastic bag we put some peanut butter and like spread it around, and then put the bag into, or sorry, put the canvas into the peanut butter bag, and then he licked it off, like the peanut butter off, sorry, not the paint. And this is the picture that he ended up making, which is displayed now in our living room. And I'm so happy I got artist Coop to do that. It was known for a while now that like he's not doing well and he's old. He was, okay, now when I said like we don't know his age, he was 18 or 19, 18, about 19. I got him in like 2008, 2009. I was a teenager, so I was 18 or 19. I think it was 2009, like very late 2008, beginning of 2009 is when I got him. And they estimated that he was like between 2 and 3 years old. They couldn't really decipher fully. He got his pup cup. He just got like all the love and pets and everything. And Cooper wasn't a cuddler. And the last night, he went into my arms and cuddled with me to sleep. And I don't know if that was just like his way of saying goodbye. He went peacefully, without pain. Well, you don't know. Anyway, ugh, I'm so sorry. He went peacefully and with love all surrounding him. He just went sleeping. He was very relaxed. He was sleeping. The vet put this up for him. And that little rainbow, I was like, oh, he's gonna cross the rainbow bridge. We got home after, when me and Austin got home, we hugged each other. And when we hugged each other, we were crying, bawling our eyes out. And when we like stopped embracing, on the counter was that exact rainbow. Literally a side rainbow, same colors. And we were like, what? Like, what? So I felt like that was like a peaceful moment for us. Like, and then Austin said he was crossing the rainbow bridge, and he let us know that he crossed, and it was just like really hard. Just so hard. And I just wanted to make this video just to like have it out there and to tell you guys what's going on, because I don't want to talk about it again, I guess. I just want you guys to know that he was surrounded by love and positivity. He was told how much of a good boy he was. We were telling stories about positive times and on the boat and stuff. He was a very loyal dog. He was very loving. And, ugh, I'm sorry, I want to share some pictures of Coop in happier times. I'm just going to pop them up randomly. When people hear his age, they're like, he was like 19. And we're like, yeah, like literally, like he was amazing. Like, you're such a good mom and stuff. And I it's nice to hear, but like, I just didn't know if I was making the right decision, you know. I still think that. But like, I obviously went off of like vet advice and other opinions as well. I did get second and also third opinions. I know I'm crazy, but I take my pet's health very seriously. It's just been a hard transition for our family. I'm so glad you guys are seeing like happy Coop and happy times and stuff. And I know you guys loved him, and I'm hoping that you guys can just send some good positive messages, whatever you guys believe in, whatever. Just like positivity is always welcome. Just appreciate you guys for waiting for me and for loving Coop and for all the sweet messages of Cooper throughout the years. There's been like fan pages made. There's been like so many things. It's gonna sound dramatic, but I like felt a part of me leave when he left. Like he went in my arms. I just like felt a part of me leave, and he'll always be a part of me. He deserves to be remembered for his good times. He was 100% blind. He was getting very confused, like standing in a corner staring at a wall, like just very confused. And I don't want to go into that too much. I keep saying that, but then I do. But he was just not himself. He was not Cooper. This wasn't for just a little bit of time either. Like he was just old and in pain. He was just uncomfortable. He was uncomfortable. He was not himself. It's hard no matter what age or circumstance or anything. It's just hard. And I think I just need some time. And I just wanted you guys to know though, and I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching. Yeah, I don't know how to really end this, really. I don't know what to do here. But thank you guys for all like the love for him. I just want to just end this video, I guess. I'm fine. I'm fine. I know I'm not fine, but like I will be fine, I guess is what I'm trying to say. And I have a support system around me, which is very, very positive. I love you guys, and I hope you guys have a good day, and thank you again so much for the love of Coop. I love you so much, Cooper. Bye guys.